Yes, I know. That's why I had to delete the the video real quick. All right, we're back. We'll let everybody roll back in here. Hopefully nobody wrote it down that quick. You're a dick. I would hope that everyone that's watching me wouldn't do something like that, but I mean, you never know. Good morning, Jason. I could only hope. Hey, look, I mean, if you want to go in and ruin my day, then so be it. It's only one account. It would suck. But I would have to, no, you can't change it, unfortunately. I mean, I'm sure I could, but I'd have to,
don't make no sense.
You know what? I'll try messaging them and see if they can change it, but I showed you guys my Trade8 login stuff by accident, so I had to delete that stream real quick. Have them change it? All right, yeah, I'm gonna message them. Have you passed the TPT 150K eval? I am $31 away. What's up, Bea? It'll be fine. I don't think anyone here is going to go out of their way to screw me over. And I'm going to get it changed. Oh, geez, what's going on here? Oh, it's the open. Shit, I didn't realize it was already the open. Yeah, I literally was sitting here. I took a screenshot of the market right here, literally at 729, and messaged David and was like, holy crap. And then like I looked at Bitcoin and it was down at 80K. And I was like, holy crap. And then literally 30 seconds later, this candle happens. Does anybody know what happened at 730? I looked everywhere. The only thing I saw was like some FOMC member guy was talking. How do you pass the evals? I YOLO the crap out of them. I try to do somewhat the same strategy, but I just go crazy contracts. Like I said, most of the people that are in here I know wouldn't do something like that, so I'm not too worried about it, but I just covered my basis and deleted it as quick as possible just in case. So I mean, that's really all I can do. Like I said, I don't think any of you are going to do that, so I think we're good to go. And like I said, if you do, it's one account. It's not like you can buy new accounts with that information. So I totally forgot Take Profit Trader shows that in full. The other places it's like start out, or at least the password is. So like when you click it, it'll copy it, but it doesn't just show it like that. Well, guys, you'll probably be paying $50 to get a password that's going to be old in about 5 minutes. So you better get it quick and use it even quicker. Need he, good morning. What's going on? I don't know what happened to switch to golf. Don, I accidentally doxed my login for Trade8 for Take Profit Trader. So I had to hurry up and delete the video. That was my bad. And now we're going to try to make $31 real quick on this account. And that'll be a past eval. We'll have to flip it on Monday and Tuesday. And then we're going to switch over to the futures desk and see if we can't find some good trades to get up to get that into a live account. How do you time it right? Is there a process? No. Like I said, I try to do the same type of trades. So like here at the open, when we got this push up, I probably would have went short. Just YOLOing it with like 5, 10 NQ contracts. looking for this exact pullback. And that looks like I would have passed pretty quickly. Could have failed pretty quickly, but I don't spend too much time on evals. I try to pass them as quickly as possible. Any info for Tradeify's new news? Yeah, they're doing, so they're getting rid of the advanced account tonight. So if you guys want an advanced account to buy one, you have to do it by 8 o'clock tonight. And then you can reset it as much as you want. But they will be no longer available for purchase after 8 o'clock tonight. Their news was that they're partnering with a darts champion, like darts, from the UK. As far as the new account, they didn't offer anything or any news yet on the new accounts. So I don't know anything about that. WTF? What, the dart player? Does dart have to do with trading? Yeah, I don't know. I think they basically said they're going to try to step outside the box and they're going to start trying to like sponsor things. So if you remember back in the day, like people would try to sponsor like darts players and like NASCAR, or not darts players, but like NASCAR. They're basically just trying to expand the name. They're trying to find people that aren't already traders, I guess. You either get that 100 or you don't. What are you talking about, Carlo? They said they are not doing a Black Friday sale. That's a lie. Tell them to sponsor a whiskey YouTuber. I can't even get them to sponsor a trading YouTuber, so I guess they do kind of sponsor me in a way. They give me the accounts to give to you guys, so. So you mean they're taking the FTX route? I don't know anything about the FX stuff, Forex and whatnot, but yeah, maybe. It sounds like they're trying to go big. Thanks, Tony. Yeah, back to that talk. On Tradeify, I'm going to go live with a 5K account. I'm thinking I take 3K out, and then I just try to build up the 2K, right? Pay myself, and then try to build myself up. Because that's a 50K account. The fact I had a buffer, which is why I'm getting 5K. So why not take the buffer out of the 3K, pay myself, and then just go from there, right? We're in a live account. Take it low and slow. And then we also got the futures desk. We're 1250 away from getting to the live account there. Get to the live account there. That's going to be a 4250 live account. Take out 2K there. And then I'll have 2250 left in there to do the exact same thing. And then hopefully we can get our Take Profit Trader account back to where it was. And we'll just keep going from there. Yeah, micros, look, guys. Micros, when the market is like this, are fine. Micros, when the market is slow, it sucks, right? Like, you gotta, if you're gonna trade, you gotta look for like what you're trying to make per trade. And then that was kind of my mistake with that other account that I blew, the one that I copy traded, because I didn't have the buffer and the volatility was getting pretty crazy, right? Like it took 2 contracts to get busted on that and the Take Profit Trader account. I should not have been trading NQ contracts. I should have downsized. That's my own fault, because the volatility was there. Unfortunately, it's, that's hindsight. Had all those trades worked, it would have been looking great because the trades would have been a lot easier, yada, yada, yada. But, well, this is ATR, Carlo. The Keltner channels use ATR. Oh, you're saying, I got you. I mean, I can kind of tell. I mean, dude, look at the candles we're making. I mean, some days we're only making 5-point candles, and today we're making 100-point candles. So if one day you're making 10-point candles, one day you're making 100-point candles, in theory, you should be downsizing to 1/10 whatever your current size was at 10 points a candle, right? If you're trying to make the exact same amount, no matter what the volatility of the market is. So that was kind of on me. I got greedy. because in my head, I'm thinking on Take Profit Trader, that account, if I take the same type of trades looking at the candles instead of the range of the candles, I could have made a lot of money. But obviously you can also lose a lot of money, and that was the case this time, which sucks. But anyways, just chopping literally inside this range. See if we can't break out one way or the other so I can try to make this 31 bucks. Good morning, M. How are you? Less than that if NQ? Yeah, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. We will be doing some account giveaways. Make sure you're here for that. Let me look at what accounts I have to give away still. I have 2 advanced accounts. I have 1 growth account and 1 lightning funded account to give away still. Or no. 2 lightning funded accounts, but one's for next week. So I got, a lightning funded account for today, lightning funded account for next week, but I have 2 advanced accounts and 1 growth account. So I can't give all those away because I would like to give at least one of those away next week. I wish I was doing a lot of sales for Tradeify, because then I would ask them for more accounts for next week. Like I would be like, hey, can I get a bunch of accounts so I can give them away accounts every day next week for Thanksgiving week? But unfortunately, I'm not someone that sells a lot of accounts on there. Not like the people that can probably ask for that. Give them both away today, holiday week next week, but that's kind of why I want to keep them. Yeah, Tradeify actually, when they were newer, used to be one of my bigger sales. It's definitely died off a bit. Still doing members only for the growth? Yeah, I'm going to start doing members only for the growth ones. When do you become a 150K account giveaway streamer? Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. I'm nowhere near that. I wish. You guys got to buy more accounts using my code. They base all that off of that, and there's nothing I can do about that. Maybe become an Apex shill? Nah, I'm good. I still think Apex is fine. I just, I don't use them. I don't like their rules. Might be a bit thin in the YouTube chat. What do you mean? I just don't know how to market myself. If any of you are good at marketing and want to help me out, feel free to jump on board. I don't have much to pay you, but we'll figure something out. Like I try to, get my normal post out there on X and stuff like that, but give them both away next Friday because of holiday and stuff might be... Oh, gotcha. Well, so be it. The people that are here will have better odds. You hear that? You want to win? Come next Friday. I mean, it's already thin in here, so... I'll be here because I'll be shopping. Kids are off anyway, so I need an excuse to not have them hound me nonstop. All right, are we really just going to sit here and shop? Should I just trade the chop? I only need $31. We need to get the 159.51. But we already know how that goes. Meaning I probably won't be here, so give them away today. Is next week Black Friday? It is. Yep. Next week, Thursday, is Thanksgiving, and Friday is Black Friday. I mean, granted, it's Black Month at this point, right? It slowly went from Black Friday to Black Friday week, like the week of Black Friday, and then now it's like the month of Black Friday. It's like people are doing that crap all month now. Take a micro long, low risk. I'm just waiting for one of the pushes either way. I mean, it does look like we're trying to stay up here after whatever. Jason, do you know what this push was this morning at 7:30? Like I said, one of the FOMC guys were supposed to talk, but it happened like right as the 7:30 candle happened, and I don't see any news or whatnot at 7:30, so I was a little confused. Just make everything black? Yeah. Well, I mean, a lot of times nowadays, the Black Friday sales aren't even freaking Black Friday sales. It's kind of a joke at this point. $24,190, $24,180, and take the bounce? No, have no idea. Yeah, I don't know. Feds? What about the Feds? I mean, your bounce idea would have worked right there, but now it looks like it wants to try lower. Oh. 945. Little volatility candle here at 945 for whatever reason. There's something happening at 945? Oh, there is today. It's Flash Manufacturing PMI. Holy crap, that's red folder. So supposedly 7:30 there was yellow folder. FOMC member Williams speaks, and this candle happens. We just had Flash Manufacturing PMI, which is red folder news, and this is the candle we get. Gotta love it. We do have some more stuff at 10 o'clock. Revised UOM consumer sentiment, final wholesale inventories, revised UOM inflation expectations, which is yellow folder. So, all right, here we go. Down through 150, I'm probably going to take a quick little trade, hopefully. We only need like 10 points, not even. Come on, need more. Down there. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Order filled.
All right. All we need is...
Order working.
Not even, actually.
Order filled.
Okay, well, it gave it to me, so there you go. Past Take Profit Trader account, we're back into a funded account, or pro account, I should say, on Take Profit Trader. I still have to flip it 2 more days, so that'll be on Wednesday. All right, let's switch over to the futures desk. I'm still waiting on Take Profit Trader. I'm just going to stay logged in here just in case. All right. I'm going to go to 3 contracts here. Can't find a trade. Oh, that was a bad fill. We can't make a quick hundo on 3 contracts here. Just trying. It wicked. Did you see? There we go. I'll take it. Now we're up 177 on that account. That was a bad fill too. I thought I was getting filled closer to 100, and it filled me at like 112 or something like that. It popped up on me. This will pop back up. We were bouncing over the 100 DMA, but it lost it. I guess the market on open orders ran out. Maybe. What's Bitcoin at? Damn, that thing shot back up. It was that literally when I woke up. Look, yeah, 725. It was down at 80K. I was like, holy crap, we might see a 7 today. I do have some Bitcoin. What is my average cost is at 90. Holy crap, I'm underwater. This is all free Bitcoin, by the way, that I've gathered over the time on Robinhood. Like when they do like, oh, get a free $1 for taking this little 5-minute survey. And like they'll give you $1 in Bitcoin here and there. So I think overall I have like $20 in Bitcoin. Oh no, here, 1913 plus $1.87. So $21. $21 in Bitcoin is what I own. and my average cost is 92,808. And that is 46% of my crypto portfolio. So that just goes to show you how much crypto I have. All the crypto I have is free crypto. I have not bought. Oh, you know what? I lied. I think I bought $5 in Doge because there was something where if you bought $5, it gave you $10 or something. No, maybe not. Yeah, I think that is right. Or maybe it was buy 10, get 10, because it looks like I have $20 there as well. I know it was something like that. But yeah, Doge is not doing too great. My average cost there is 38 cents and it's at 14 cents. I don't even know what else I have crypto-wise. I got Bitcoin, Doge, $1 in USDC, and apparently some AVAX, whatever that is. I have $1 in AVAX, which is also way down. Avalanche. My average cost is $37.70, and it's at $13. So that is not doing too great, which it was down at 12. Damn. Crypto not looking so hot at the moment. Crypto not looking so hot at the moment. Yeah, this is just extra money I got chilling in here. Damn, that charge point call that I took forever ago, GDT is not looking so hot. I bought that thing for $175 and it's now worth a penny. Or $1, sorry. Worth $1. Literally lost 99.43% on it. I figured at that it's been like this for a long time. I figured, you know, why not? Because they did a split and all that crap. So I was like, why not just hold it at this point? Like, what's it really gonna hurt me to just hold it? It's worthless anyway. Your entire Roth and CMG? That's Chipotle, right? Yeah. Damn, it's doing good today. What's it? It's way down, right? Yeah. When did you get into these? Hopefully, November, because they had that earnings call, right? Yeah, and it dropped them. That's 25% drop. Yeah, I was looking at Nvidia. I was hoping they had bad earnings. I'm not gonna lie, so that I could get in, but they had good earnings, so they went way up. But then they went right back down that next day. Crazy. I guess all the people taking profit. That's what a lot of people are speculating is Nvidia got up to like almost 200 and everyone started taking profit, and they think that's what caused the big dump in the market. They think everyone thinks Nvidia is controlling the market at the moment, which it very well could be. It's such a big stock. But all right, market's just kind of chopping. You know what? Let's do our first giveaway. We'll do an advanced account. I over doubled after that drop. Oh, you were already in it. Gotcha. So you kind of you DCA'd a bit. All right, exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 10 minutes. We're going to give away a Tradeify 50K advanced account. We're going to do an advanced account, and then we're going to do a little bit later, we're going to do a members only lightning funded account. And then next week, we're going to do a growth account at some point and the other lightning funded account that I have. And that'll be all my accounts this month. Oops. Because I have, oh no, I'll have another advanced account next week as well. So we'll have an advanced account, which I'll give away at some point throughout the week, a growth account, and a lightning funded account for next Friday on Black Friday. So if you want to be here for that, you can be. Those will both be members only, by the way. But we'll do the other, we'll do the cash giveaway race next Friday as well for anyone that is not a member. Does anyone know how long we have to activate Tradeify past eval? We'll be on holiday from next week, so I can activate after I'm back. I heard that they have a 48-hour activation fee deadline. It's a good question, ED. I don't know. We could try to look it up for you. How long for activation? I'm assuming you're talking for the advanced account. I'm also assuming maybe it says this in, well, if it was a growth account and stuff, you wouldn't have to worry about it. How long to activate? You know what? Let me ask in the Discord. Not seeing it. Yeah, I know some places used to be the 48 hours. Chart's trying to get up through the high. Oh, it did make a new high there. See if it can't get through 300 and push away. This line must be from yesterday? Oh, yeah. Get rid of that stuff. I don't think that line is going to mean too much today. I think it's just because 300's there. We can draw. It's essentially the same line, but I guess we can put one. It's not the horizontal line that I want. Yes, that's the one. I tried to look for it too on their website, but there seems to be no info. Yeah. I asked in the Discord. We'll see. They'll get back to me here in a second. See if hold on, I gotta click out of here so that I can check my take profit trader, see if they responded yet. They have not. Bounced right off the highs so far. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 5 minutes and 55 seconds. You guys think I lie when I do that all the time. I click on to see how much time's left, and it's always like 555, 444, 333. It's crazy. It happens all the time. It's crazy. Nice little rejection candle here. I might actually try to trade this. Try to get a quickie here. Not looking for too much. Like 10 points with 3 contracts. Got a feeling that's going to be nothing in comparison to what we're looking at. That was a pretty big candle. Odds are you're going to get a little bit of a rebound just like that. Not looking to get too much out of it. There we go. Add $60 to the pot. This is all I did yesterday. Guys, I literally yesterday took 6 trades and just kept piecing them together. And I ended up with $913 over 6 trades. And I was just taking little obvious type scalp trades. That's all I was doing. Oh, so this number did include that other trade. All right, so now we're like 1150 away. Just keep piecing at it. Back at 24, 190, 180. You're right. It's literally right where it bounced off too. Yeah, that was a pretty good rejection. It's hard not to trade those candles because those are the candles I'm always talking about. But you got to be careful with those candles because those candles can just keep on going. So always keep that in mind. The odds are you're going to get the rubber band effect, at least temporarily. But it doesn't have to. We've proven that quite a bit. I don't understand. Oh, it's not today though. Okay. Oh, so okay. Never knew that. Now I do. Yeah, I mean, if we can piece together another $900 day, we'll be pretty close to passing. Just using, this is all I did yesterday too, is 3 contracts. I think actually yesterday I was using 5. So that makes a bit of a difference. But I want to start using 3 because I feel like that's what I'm going to be using on my live accounts. Especially if we have this kind of volatility. What's the rubber band effect? Basically, the bigger and the faster the candle. Like, I always say this. Imagine this is a candle, right? If the candle is just sitting dormant, right? It doesn't really stretch. When you let go, it doesn't do anything, right? It's just nothing. But if you start to stretch it just a little bit, it snaps a little before falling, right? Keep stretching, what happens? It snaps pretty hard. So my ideology behind that is the faster a candle moves, the faster it stretches out, the more likely when it finally stops stretching out that it's going to rebound back. That's the idea behind the rubber band. So basically you're looking for giant stretched out candles, and then that's where price action reading kind of comes in. I call it the jiggle. It's an old term I used from when I was trading stocks. Basically, a candle is going to push, 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 and you can see it pushing, right? Everyone's hitting on, like, using this as an example. People were smashing the bid, right? This thing was just dropping, dropping, dropping. But once it starts to slow down, right? People aren't. There's 10 o'clock. Once people aren't smashing the bid anymore, then it starts to slow down, right? It's not going down as much. That's where the rubber band starts to kind of stop at its peak. And then you look for that, boop, for it to let go and rubber band back the other way. And then what it does after that, completely unrelated, right? All you're looking for is that single move. That's it. Try to make your money off of that move and that move only. Or, well, that's what I try to do. I got 6 days left to pass mine. 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 I got... Sorry, I don't know what I was doing there. Exclamation point marbles. This is for a 50K advanced account. You got 1 minute and 26 seconds. Get them in. No. No. Stop it. All right. What was the 10 o'clock news? 10 o'clock news was the UOM consumer sentiment. It was the final. It was all this crap. So I guess they didn't like it. All right, popping back down. And if you're not getting the big candles like that, like a big random flush candle, then you start to look for the key areas, right? This happens to be 2 key areas in one. It's where the current bottom of this move is, and it's also a $0.50 whole dollar. So if we can get a push down through here, that's beautiful, because then you're looking for a push away and then a retest. A lot of times it'll double bottom and it'll go through some kind of crap consolidation and then try. But every once in a while, you get the nice little dump, comes right to it and just dumps through. And then boom, you get in looking for the retest. Bread and butter. This is not a members only giveaway. Go ahead, you still got a little time because I want to watch the chart here. I want to see if it gives us the break. I'll get marbles up and running. But I'm watching the chart. See what happens. All right, coming down to 100. Did not get through. Bounced right off of it so far. Got to 104.75. Trying again. Not through quite. Oh, it did get through. There we go. Push away. See if we can push away. Would love to see like 70s. It's not real. Oh, it's trying again. Looking for the dumpski. Looking for all them stop losses to get hit. Just trying. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Damn. Just touched the 70s. 74. I guess happened pretty quick. And look at that. Boom. Retest. That's what I'm saying. I mean, it's a little scary when it's such a small candle in comparison to these candles. But, I mean, that's 20 points right there. In one NQ contract, that's 400 points. Just like that. Boom. But it's tough to catch those, right? Because you would have had to have an order out. You would just have to assume we're going to stop there and retest. Like, there's a lot going on there. But you see it a lot, right? You see it a lot. So I wasn't just saying it previously because I was pulling numbers out of my ass. It's because I see it a lot. All right, let's get marbles rolling. Done for the day. 9K across my Apex and Top Step accounts. Are they all funded, Rob? If so, or even if not, like, great day, man. All right, let's get all the members in here. Josh was in here first. We got Donald. Got Donovan. Got Fiona. All fun. Rob, let's fucking go. Now, I remember when Rob first came in here, and I'm pretty sure it was like your first time trading, right? Like, didn't you find me kind of like when you first started trading? And this guy, literally, first try, I think, 10 Apex accounts. This is back when we were doing the orb trade. 10 Apex accounts, passes them, gets them all to pay out. 20K. Just like that. That was you, right? Rob, the mother effing baller. I'm almost positive that was you. Need he, I think you were. Yeah, I already got you, Need he. You're good. Yeah, I first started trading futures, LOL, but I. Well, right. That's what I meant. I meant futures. I wasn't trying to say like just started. I could tell that you had already been trading just by the way you were talking to me when we first met. All right, market's in a perfect place for marbles. Let's do it. Got 74. All right, what race should we do? Let's do, for the advanced account, let's do that crazy one. This one. All right, this is for a 50K. But do you trade options? That's what my Robinhood account was. But do you trade options? But do you trade options? I remember for the longest time, I refused to trade options. And then when I switched over to trading futures, I was like, I just learned about options and I was like, okay, these aren't that bad. All right, what's the finish look like? Okay, it's the easy finish. So if you get to the finish first, it's just a matter of falling in the hole. You don't need to worry about keeping your speed, yada, yada, yada. So we're going to keep this view right here. And we're going to see who gets, once we get to like here, we'll hit it. All right, 50K advanced account in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that. Excuse me. Good luck, good luck. I missed that old question. Yeah, that's a good one. They still didn't answer my question in the Discord, by the way. I'm still waiting. Still waiting. Usually they're pretty quick about it. Maybe they're all trading at the moment. Oh, I see one mod in there. See if he responds. Yeah, don't believe who's in the lead because it's whoever's closest to the finish line. So like right now, Josh is in last place, but he's closest to the finish. That's why I said when we get over here, we'll start paying more attention. I don't think Josh Rich is gonna win. He's literally just going in circles. Hey, made it through. That would have been funny if it shot him back in there. Nasdaq 1212. Check, check. Oh no, he got popped up and over. Stop! Oh, Bob's away. Hey, I see you in there. Oh, there's Donovan. And Pratik. Donovan said he needs this. He said he needs it today. Oh, he's going to slide through. Donovan's in the lead. Avoid the hole. Avoids the hole. Can he go straight through the middle of these guys? Nope. That's going to hit. Can he bounce in, though? Oh, he's going to bounce right in. He's got a... Oh, BMO! BMO Bemo! Oh, that's not good. That's not the right way. That's people are going to catch up. Trader's Nest trying. Oh, BMO Bemo! They're going to fight here at the end. Who can make it through? Oh, Donovan cuts back in front. Who can make it through the Plinko first? Donovan! BMO! BMO's through, but can he fall? Oh, he does! BMO Bemo with the win. Congrats, BMO Bemo. Haven't seen you in a while. Congrats. 50K Tradeify advanced account coming your way. I just need you to message me. I'm pretty sure you've won before in the past. So just shoot me a message in Discord. And I will see if I have you already verified. BMO Bemo. Donovan, you were so close. You were so close. It's okay. You still got another shot. BMO Bemo, are you here? First off, I'll give you until the 1 minute timer runs out. As of now, race is over. You got until 10:10 and 30 seconds. BMO Bemo, are you here? Yeah, there he is. BMO Bemo, give me a shot, a DM in the Discord, and we'll get you taken care of. Let's get back over here to the charts. It's starting to head back down towards the lows. Getting a little excited. Might get a possible trade. Congrats to BMO Bemo. That's not the only giveaway we're going to be doing today. So stay tuned. We're just going to see if we can't find a trade or so. We'll probably do the other giveaway around like 10:45. So if you want to take a break from my voice for the next 35 minutes, feel free. That's probably when I'll start the signups. Oh, they answered my question. Who was it that asked? I think it was Needhe. My question was, is there a time period to activate a past eval? After passing your evaluations, you'll need to wait for the dashboard to update, which typically happens between 6 to 8 p.m. Eastern. Once it's updated, you can activate. That is not what my question was.
FBI, open up!
I re-asked the question more specifically. See if he gets back to me. He's in there answering the question, so should be pretty quick. It was you. Okay. Yeah, I re-asked it. Okay, BMO Bemo. BMO Bemo. Come on, chart. Let's do it. I think my mind's set on the 3K from Tradeify though. So whenever I go live there, I'm going to withdraw 3K. I think it's still a 90-10 split there. And then if I do pass the futures desk, I'm going to take 2K. So that'll be a total of 5K from the two of them. And then we'll try to grow those accounts. Pretty sure at any time I can withdraw all the money from those accounts and just kill the accounts. But I want to try to build those accounts. I want those to be live accounts. Yeah, their chatbot thing wasn't working for me, so figured I'd go to the Discord. Okay, so that's kind of what I thought. So you can wait to activate it, but if it took you a month, like if your month from when you signed up to when you bought the account, if that month is going to end while you're away, you would have to repay the monthly fee. But if you just bought it recently and it's not going to renew the month, then you're fine. You're allowed to wait to activate it. There you go. See, we both learned something new. Congrats. What are you guys saying congrats for? You guys are on like a huge delay. Hit that live button. The giveaway. Let's go. Passing giveaway accounts. Let's go. Let's go. Now you just got to get to payout. So by the way, because that's an advanced account, right? It's 35%, so or 33%. So it's just 4 days to get to a payout if you really want to. We'll be doing marbles again in like 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Run.
I am going to switch this over for a second. Naveen. Just so that I can check my email real quick. Oh, Take Profit Trader, answer me? Nope, still haven't answered. Oh, hold on. I gotta go get my Sam's Club order from out front because there's frozen stuff. Be right back. I'm back. No marbles yet, guys. No marbles. Futures Trader 1434. What's going on? Oh, we're dumping. We're dumping. Let's get back to the chart that we might trade. I would not have taken that. I would have been looking for the push down through 50 anyway. You're fine. That's the difficult part, payouts. Yeah, once you start getting them though, please don't kick you out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ban you, Tony. Hold on one sec. Let me 3 dots. Put user in timeout. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Wonder how long they'll let me keep Quantower open, because I'm connected to the Take Profit Trader Pro account that I blew. Or wait a minute. No, this is showing my eval account. Or is it? Oh yeah, it says admin only. It still has my old balance in there. Yeah, it doesn't let me take any trades though. Someone say Banhammer? Nah, it was just Tony. You're just being funny. We are bouncing off yesterday's close, which is right here at 24.75. Put that right there. This is yesterday's close. It kind of makes sense why I was trying to hold it. We get back below there and start heading down to the current low. Things could get dicey. Is there an indicator on TFD for current high and low? High. Like, is there a way to add that to the chart? I want my speed fast. Disk. Ooh, look at that dump. 1 month, I guess. They would have paid for the month already. Yeah. No, you're good. You're only going for a week. All right, hold on. Let's go back to the chart here. Does anybody know if there's a way to add the high and the low without drawing it myself every day? Oh, what happened to my other drawing? I'll look again when the chart's not looking like it wants to give me a trade. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Really? Come on. Be something more than that. You know what's crazy looking at the daily chart? Like, from the very bottom of the last pullback we had down at 16,500, we're not even anywhere near halfway back down to that. I would say what, like 21,500 would be about halfway. If we start breaking like 23,000, because that's a pretty key level. We're at a key level now. Previous resistance was right here at 24K. I think that's what we're trying to hold at the moment overall. But if we can get through there and then get down through 23K, like down towards 22.5, that's when things could start looking a little creepy. You missed the first giveaway, Joe, but we have another giveaway we're going to be doing in about 20 minutes or so. Unfortunately, did not get the push that we were looking for there. Take our line down. What was I gonna do? What was I gonna do when the chart got back up? Oh, look for the current high and low. I don't see it anywhere. Is it a, do they label it as an indicator? There's so many indicators. What the heck is a zigzag indicator? Yeah. Didn't even do anything. Where is it? What is the zigzag indicator? Oh, is it a tick thing? Guess it don't work for me. No idea. I hate Top Step X. This is actually the futures desk, but it is an X version of the. I think this is Project X, but just their version of it. Let me just ask them. CVD bearish divergence. I have no idea what that means. Not a clue. Is it a right click? Oh. Oh, high and low price. Found it. Nice, it'll push back down. Quant Tower is like lagging big time again. All right, here we go again. Wait, what happened to my... Where's the line for it? 24027? Where's the line? Like, see how there's a line? What's this plus sign? Oh. So it shows me what the low is, but there's no line going across. Oh, I'm trying to talk to the TFD guys. Why can't we get the extra push down? Come on, I want to trade. Not yet, guys. Not yet. Apparently they have an indicator, daily levels indicator. Okay, let's see. Nope. They're telling me that I would have to get the Project X API. Come on. If you're gonna do it, just do it. If you're gonna do it, just do it. The current low is actually all the way down at 23,904. I don't know why it's even saying it's right there. Just noticed that. It's such a weird thing to not be able to have on the chart. You know what? I'm actually gonna take that off because it's kind of confusing actually. All right, let's try this again. 23,904. Let me put a line there. That's the current low. All right, come on, push through 24. The almighty level Jason said this isn't good. Gotta restart. No one blow any accounts without me. Speaking of that, let me switch over real quick just to see if they responded yet. Nope. Still nada. If we can't get a nice little push down through 24K. It'd be real interesting if we don't get a retest, if we do get a nice push. That poked through there, didn't it? It did. It went to 996. Here we go. See if we can get an actual push. 70s, maybe 60s. Push, push, push. See if we can't get the retest real quick. Nice volume candle there. Biggest one since the open. Oh, up there with it. Looking for the retest. I'm sitting at 96. Struggling. I think it wants to go lower. Wants to go lower. Look for an ad down through 50 if we get there. Let's see if we can't retrace to the top of this candle. Not going to be afraid to add to this a bit more if we keep pushing. Another big candle there. Volume candle, that is. Almost to the current lows. Trying to get greedy here. Especially when you get that big extra push like that. There we go. Take that. Look at another 120 or so. Sitting at 363. Hopefully we continue lower here. We can restart it. Love to see the push down through the lows. Nice, futures trader. Good job. You were talking about that bearish divergence earlier. Let's go. Oh, that's what BDG or whatever stands for. The CVD. No, yeah, I still don't know. What's CVD mean? Come on, looking for another push down towards the current lows. Don't really want to see a bounce now. I'd rather see it hold under 50. The more we can trap some bulls here, the better. We totally erased that move from earlier at 7, yeah, or underneath, or we're actually right at it. We did get underneath it. from 7:30 this morning. Tried to move back up, got a full push back down. Gonna get rid of this one. I don't really see any obvious support and resistance sticking out in my, oh, here maybe. Yeah, I would definitely say there. We'll put this line here. Got some touches here. Tried to use it here, used it here, used it here a bunch. Leave that one there just for now, just to see what it does. Net difference between aggressive buying and selling pressure. Okay. Cumulative volume delta. Okay, I have heard that before. I just didn't know the acronym for it right off the top of my head. But okay. I think, what's his name? Trades by Matt uses that, doesn't he? Cumulative volume delta. That's the one with the volume on the sides, right? Where the volume would show up over, like over here. All right, here we go. Trying to push lower. Looking for a push down through 900 through the current low. Something like right there. Fortunately, we're holding at the moment. There's really not a lot of buyers stepping in. Make sure you're quick with your trades today if you're getting long. A lot of buyers still probably looking for that 24K retest. Didn't quite get it. As I say that, it's going for it again. Or not. That's just volume profile? Gotcha. Looks like a RSI chart with bullish above zero, bearish below zero. Okay. Oh, there's the retest. There's the 24K retest. We'll see what it does from here. I'm going to X this out for now. Yeah, let's just look at it. Relative. Not on here. Volume. Guess they don't have it on here. Let me look over on Tradeovate. Cumulative delta. Let's see. This down here? Is this what it looks like? We are way below zero at the moment. We're at like... Holy smokes, like way below zero. Interesting. So basically, this is just telling us the overall market sentiment, basically, like which way the overall market's moving. So like if you just look at the daily chart, this is kind of what you're looking at. Excuse me. When is the free account? 10:45, Steve, is when I'm going to start it. Got 2 minutes. STFU. You're actually on time today. Look at you. On ES, CVD going up with the price going down. Yes. ES looks pretty similar to the NQ. What's gold doing? Gold's moving up. Right. Well, not really. Gold actually kind of moved down with the market there on that move. Interesting. All right, we got back above 24K, which, to be completely honest, I'm a little surprised, especially looking at the volume. That was not an indication that that was a liquidity sweep by any means through 24K. I think this might just be like a normal little bounce. So I don't know. We'll see. It's a pretty good bounce though. Might actually look to get short. We get push closer to 24.1. Right now it's kind of running into this previous support area. Usually you see a lot more volume come through when you get a reversal, but not the case on this one so far. Mm. Yeah, we're still trying to go up. Volume's still there. See if we can't break through this 2450 area. Seems to be what's kind of holding it back right now. CVD shows you the underlying volume sentiment. When price action and delta don't align, that mismatch is a divergence. And it often reveals what the candles alone can. Okay. Sounds like you guys are more advanced than I am. I try not to look too far into that stuff because I don't know. The more I look into that stuff, the more I feel like I feel like I make trading harder than it needs to be when I start looking into all that stuff. I feel like that's some people's problem, is that they overcomplicate trading. I used to do it. You should have seen me. Like, if you go back and watch my live streams from when I first started live streaming and I was still learning how to trade, like, in general, it was pretty bad. Like, I was doing anything I could find, every strategy, learning anything about everything. And then over the years, I've just slowly come to realize that a lot of that stuff is just noise. I'm not saying, yeah, Tinker Tim. They literally had a name for me in the scanner room, ISW. They called me Tinker Tim because it was like every day I would be tinkering with something. It's true. I can't believe GDT remembers that. That's funny. Good old Tinker Tim. Whoa, X is down. It's down. All right, let's start the marbles. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. This is for the Tradeify 50K Lightning funded account. This is going to be for members only. If you are not a member and you want to participate, the join button right below me. Ask any of the members if they think it's worth it. I think you'll get the same answer except from GDT. GDT is the only one that may give you a different answer. Exclamation point marbles, get a bed. He'll win one eventually and then it'll be quiet, but I think most people in here have all one accounts. Guys, if your name's not green, you're not going to get entered. You got to have a green name. Exclamation point marbles, get them in, members. This is for the $300+ account, the 50K Lightning funded account. If you want to participate in these, my way of making sure that the people who support me the most have the best opportunity, these Lightning funded accounts go directly to members only. When I do advanced accounts and the marbles cash giveaways, I open that to everybody. But for the big boy accounts, I only give those to people who support me the most. So if you want to be one of those people, join button is right down below. I'm not trying to monetize that way. It's to kind of keep the scammers out because as you saw for the last giveaway, we had 75 marbles on the track. We only had 28, 30, like around 30 people in the chat. So obviously something's going on there. Tim is worth everything except a job. I dumped his ass for a paycheck. God damn it. Liz, you're a dick. You're a dick. Guys, if your name's not green, you're not a member. Don't bother typing exclamation point marbles. You're wasting keystrokes. Oh, I'm doing this giveaway. Letting you know my schedule. Yeah. Market seems to be slowing down. It's Friday. And still gonna
You gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
growth. We'll see. All right, I'll let you know when I'm done. All right, I got 7 minutes. I got Pushpack, VIP, GDT, Fiona, Josh, Johnny, Trader's Nest, Always in the Air, 88, Donovan, One Tick Rob, Donald, Carlo, Liz, Wawa, Don, and Jason. Jen, I know you were here earlier. Are you here? Get them in. Gonzalez is now in there. Exclamation point marbles members, get them in. Clicking the wrong. Dun, dun. Checking my name change. Zipster. He's officially the Zipster again. How many members do you have in total? I don't know. I think there's a way to check. You guys know I don't hide nothing from you. I think it's analytics. Maybe not. Or wait, audience? Revenue? Memberships. 29. Check you guys out. There's some people that are members though that are not like people who are on the stream. Like people have actually signed up that just watch the channel, which is really cool. Where do I check? Not letting me go back. I thought, is it here? There's somewhere it shows me who are members. I don't know where though. Oh, here we go. Yeah, Donovan. Oh, Waffles. Waffles, where are you at? Are you here? We got Pushpack, Trader's Nest, Emmy, S. Wilson. See, like S. Wilson's one of them. Gonzalez, GDT, Needhe, Carlo, Keimani, Jen. The Futures Desk is in there. Cool. See, I didn't even know that they were doing that. That's awesome of them. Johnny S, Don, the real Don. Why does it keep doing that? I can't make it stop. I'll start from the bottom. Ward. Yeah, Ward, he's cool. I talk to him every so often. I do not know who this is, but look at them go. Hell yeah. Cody Futures, there's Steve, Mass Knowledge, Liz, Jason, Rob, Pam Pryor. Yeah, some of these people we don't even see. Jack of all trades, Zishan. You guys are awesome. That's why I do the giveaways the way that I do. Hello, Gabna. Remember when we were like 6? Yeah. All right, how much time we got left? 3 minutes. Got 18 of you in here. Zishan, I don't think you were in here. Where you at? Yeah, these races definitely aren't as easy to win as they used to be, but the odds and the ROI on them is still really good. You have to admit, it's still really good. All right, we tried to get back below 24K, but used it as support.
Winning.
See what happens. Guys, marbles is not going to work unless your name is green for this one. This is the 50K. Yeah, Paul, this is the members only one. 50K lightning funded account worth over $300. Let's show you
Gotta
exactly
give him that
how much
hawk
it's worth.
too and spit on that thing. You get me?
That don't make no sense.
50K. It's $356 right now using code VOLA. It's a $356 account that I am giving to you guys. And if you guys want, you can use Project X, even though it's having some problems, which is more expensive. It still counts. So if you use the code, you still get Project X. Tradeovate, Project X, don't really matter. It's more expensive for Project X, but the code covers it regardless. So in a way, I could say it's a $374 account. Big boy money. Let's get it. No accounts. No accounts. What happened? Oh, that's right. We're going live. Yeah, for anyone that wasn't here yesterday, Tradeify sent me a nice old email saying, you're going live. So we'll be going live. I'm going through the process right now. I just filled out all that stuff yesterday. I don't know how long it'll take to go through, etc. But yeah. No, I X'd it out by accident. All right, we're up 363.20 on the day. Just trading 3 MNQs. That puts us... Okay, see, that didn't update. Let's hit refresh. See if it... See, early... Oh, there it goes. That puts us within $1,000 almost. We need $1,020.60. And we'll be moving along on the futures desk. Saw it on X, Paul. Thank you, thank you. Oh, trying to get back down to 24K. Where are we at on the giveaway? You got 25 seconds. Any other members here? Jen, Zishan. I'm going to start putting them in. Because we got to go pick up the wifey's car. I'm going to start a poll. You You guys want to do the Battle Royale map or the Red Death to Bluey map? You guys choose. Poll has been started. Hey, they're great for that too, man. Practice or not. We are bungulating this afternoon. Bungulating. I have no idea what bungulating is. What is that? It sounds not good. Sounds like something that I don't want stuck somewhere specific. Man, I cannot get rid of the whatever's in my throat. I'm bungulating. Needy, I'm pretty sure you were in here, right? Yeah, you're in there. Trying to bust through that 24K. Sorry, I need to watch the Burnt Peanut. Yeah, I don't watch the Burnt Peanut. I mean, I've seen clips of him like when he plays with Shroud and he's in the highlight videos and stuff, but I don't like watch him regularly. All right, Battle Royale it is. 36. All right, here we go. Only 8 of you voted? Oh, that's your fault. Here we go. This is for a 50K Lightning funded account worth $356 to $376. He and Hutch have organized a ridiculous streamer war in Arc Raiders right now. I know who Hutch is too. Are they like live right now? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Good luck. Gonzalez, what the heck was that? He's like, I'm trying to get the outside move, man. Oh, him and Carlo. They're kissing. Gonzalez saying, Carlo sitting on a bumper pad. Ah, what are you about to fall off? You guys better stop your little crap and move back toward. Ah, Gonzalez, you dirty dog. Gonzalez, dirty dog. That was planned. You could tell. He planned that. Oh, big dump through 24K. Watching it. Not big dump, but dump through. Dump from where it was. It was up at like 24.12 and it dumped through. Oh, it's trying. I'm looking for a trade here if we can get down towards 950. Gotta be weary though. This could go straight to the lows. Nope, got the 24K retest. Oh, Rob was off, but comes back on. Jason, I don't know if he's going to be able to recover. It doesn't look like it. Shameless Fiona, you're knocking yourself out. What are you doing? Dummy. Don't know. Oh, did you notice that? Look at this. This is on like a pedestal. I never knew that. Oh, everyone got like stunned there. Not in the top 10 situation yet. That dump down through 24K got bought right back up to that 24.12 area. I see a Steve in there twice. I see 2 Steves left. He hasn't participated in one of these races in a while, and you know he's pretty good at them. Oh, there goes Gonzalez and Donovan. There goes a Wawa. That should put us in the top 10 situation. Still see 2 Steves. Is there 2 of anybody else? There goes Need He. There was 2 Need He's. Now there's only 1. There goes Josh. No more Josh. About to lose some more. There goes Don. There goes Waffles. Steve's. Oh, there went a Steve. There goes both Steves. He had a 33% chance to win, and it just went to 0 that quick. Now everyone left has a 33% chance. He actually had a 40% chance. We have Fiona. We have Pushpack, and we have Need He. Final 3. It's getting tight. There's 2 barrels on the track. Pushpack hits 1. Need He takes himself off. We're down to Fiona and Pushpack. Pushpack goes for Fiona. Fiona falls off because he missed. That leaves Pushpack for the win. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner for Pushpack. 11101. Clap it up. Let's go. Pushpack. 50K Tradeify. Straight to funded account. All yours. Lightning funded. Straight to funded. Straight to you, my man. Need He, you were so close. Pushpack pulls through. We're going to go to the charts here because I'm about to take a trade. Boom. Probably shouldn't have did that, but I thought it sounded cool. Just going to look for right there. Whoa. Whoa. All right. Quick little $72. Thought I got a better fill. Would have been around 100, but we'll take it. Puts us up to 432 on the day. Push him off the edge, Pack. Get a Pack. All right, Pack, you know the rules. I just need you to DM me on Discord, and we will get you all taken care of, my man. Congrats. Bimo Bemo hasn't messaged me yet, but he said he's going to message me later. I'm going to get another trade here. Push down through 950, see if we can get into the 30s. Into the 30s. Into the 30s. Into the 30s. Nope. Come on. Nope. Doesn't want it. Not yet. Congrats to the winners today. Pushpack and Bimo Bemo. I'm getting ready to hopefully take another trade. Not leaving when the market's looking like this. This is prime time possible trades here. We did get into the 30s there for a second, but I was looking for a bit more, especially since we didn't get it. I'm not expecting another 50 retest, even though we just got it. I want to see us push down towards the lows. We're so close. For anyone that's not in the Discord, I'm going to post that link in the chat here because I know the one down below is... I don't know what's wrong with the Discord links. They say they never expire, but they do. There's a Discord link if you're not in there. Pushpack! Oh, wait. Pushpack, did you change your... I know that this is probably you, but the screenshot you sent me prior is a different username. Can you send me the new screenshot? Just to be safe. What is your base hit on that account? What do you mean? Like, oh, it's the sim funded, so there is none. So my daily base hit is if I were to pass the account. Once you get to the sim funded stage, the sim brokerage, you can pass it in one day if you really want to. Okay. Oh. Slow that down.
See him on the field, you hear his bitch-ass cashew voice. You put him down like a dog.
Oh, he's so fucked.
It sounds like everyone's joining Hutch. So what is this? Everyone versus Peanut?
It's not enough, bro.
I don't really fuck with either one, you know what I mean? One guy's a YouTuber.
Peanut has to be fat.
By the way, the Bungalators, stupid fucking name.
The time for talk is over. Now is the time for action. So when you're out there on the battlefield, boys, let them go. Take no prisoner. Show no mercy. Looks like me back on a menu, boy.
What the heck is this? What are they doing? How did this start? Like, what is going on? I need a video that explains what's going on. Pushback, it's not the email that I need. It's the screenshot. I need you to take a screenshot of your YouTube. So come up here on your YouTube, take a screenshot of all this. Streamers are, yeah, but why are they picking sides? And play, like, yeah, but why? What happened? What happened to make them pick sides? And you wear a certain skin based on the side you pick? And it's kill on sight for any... We have gangs? We have gangs and arc raiders? That's what that is. Kill on sight anyone on the opposite. That's a gang. It's just a fun thing. They be in Reddit. Yeah, but how did it start? That's what I want to know. I want to know the origin. What's the origin? All right, we are now less than $1,000 away from passing the sim brokerage on TFD. Pushback, I did. I need you to go to your YouTube and take a new screenshot. I need you to come up here on your YouTube and take a screenshot of all this. If you scroll up in our DM, you'll see that you did it before, but your name is now different than the first screenshot you took. So I need to just make sure that it's still you. I'm sure it's you because we have a previous conversation in there for the other giveaways that yeah. So just so everyone knows, Pushback, he's won, let's see, 50K advanced account. He's won a Take Profit Trader account. He's won a straight to funded or lightning funded. And now he just won another one. So this is 4 accounts that he's won. Just saying. Just saying. And he's not the only one that's won that many accounts, except for GDT. Your time's coming, GDT. There's a whole Middle Earth type map and everything. Yeah, I need to look this up. All right, I don't know if we're going to get any more trades. And I got to go get the wife's car. I mean, we might, but it looks like we're just chilling in the middle, and it's Friday, so. I was kind of waiting for Pushpack to do his thing so I could get him the account real quick. Let's see. Burnt. Peanut. War. Declares war. Hut and Hutch war. Okay, yeah. Force factions to choose official sides in the war for Speranza. I'm going to war against... Wait. This is Nick Merckx, though. He's not one of the two. Massive Discord call featuring the Burnt Peanut. Much more. Is this Arc Raiders Fraction? Okay, so I'm going to have to sit here and watch this.
Whose time are we?
Oh, this is the map. Shroud's Passage, the Realm of Bungulators. What the heck am I? All right, I'll watch this later. Let me turn my speed back up for later. All the streamers are picking sides. That's crazy. Screenshot and send. Okay. All right, cool. Yeah. All right, let me get you your account real quick. Yeah, it changed from last time, so I just wanted to make sure. All right, Pushpack's got his 50K lightning funded account, straight to funded account, whatever you want to call it. I hope everyone has a good rest of their day. I appreciate you all being here. Let me Pushpack. I hope you have a good rest of your day. I'll see you Monday morning, same time, same place. Stay safe. Don't do anything stupid. And have a good weekend. I'll see you later. Peace.